The State Leadership Workshop is Pennsylvania's premier leadership development event. It is designed for students to improve and enhance their leadership skills, and for advisors it's about advisor professional development and learning how to improve the operation of the chapter or to take back new educational information back to the classrooms.
There's a variety of workshops that are offered at the SLW, and some can include tracks. The tracks can include leadership, it could include middle level, also it could include competitive event practices to prepare students for the competitive events, and the middle level to prepare students to get to the high school level. The networking opportunities allow students to meet with different business owners, also with other advisors and potential speakers, so that they could possibly go into internships and maybe even possible job opportunities.
This is our second year at the Kalahari Resort for our State Leadership Workshop. It is a state-of-the-art facility.
Kalahari not only has the space for the workshops and conferences, but has an amazing water park, a really big arcade, and a lot of really good food options.
My favorite part of the State Leadership Workshop is seeing everybody's excitement and how they're going to plan out their year.